Hello everybody! Welcome to Lighthouse Woodworks' first ever vlog. Okay, this is something we're gonna start doing now. I'm thinking once a week maybe. You let me know what you think. It's definitely something I've been wanting to do but haven't had time to because we've just been so busy. However, I'm not sure exactly how this is gonna go, what I'm gonna do, but I wanna show you what's been going on at Lighthouse Woodworks every week, the projects we're working on, what the difficulties we come across, and what got accomplished and what didn't, because we always have a plan for the week. So for today, I want to show you what we did this week. You guys let me know if you want to know more, if you want me to walk you through more of the projects we do, if you want to see how we did it, but right now I'm planning just to show you guys what we did. If you want to know more, please let me know. I'm more than happy to do it, and we're willing to do it. So let me show you what's going on this week. So here are some of the projects we got done this week. I'm gonna walk you through these, let you know exactly what each one is and what we went through with getting these done. First off, we've got this 10-foot by 40-inch wide reclaimed oak table. It has two 15-inch permanent extensions. A lot of times you'll see us doing company boards that are removable, but for this project here, we made them permanent. So the way we attached this was we applied, Best Tool makes a tool called Dominoes, which is a mortise and tenon tool, and we applied several of those here in the line and the seam, and we glued the center one and elongated the side ones to allow for expansion and contraction of the centerpiece, because this grain is moving opposite direction than that. And then we custom built this base to support the weight of this extension so that it doesn't sag with the movement of the tenons and everything. We never get any loss of weight. So let me show you exactly underneath what that looks like. Under you can see how we built the base to support that weight. There's movement in all the attachments here and the screws and everything, so that if there is movement in the base, we can allow for the base to move separate from the top. Second, here we have this elm coffee table. It's about 2.5 inches thick, and we put hairpin legs on it. The issue we had with this project was that the table needed to be 17 inches tall. We had 16-inch tall hairpin legs in the 2.5-inch top, which went well over our 17 inches. So what we did was recessed in these hairpin legs to get our final height, which I'll show you. Here you can see how we routed in the tops, the bases of the hairpin legs to get that overall height. So we did that on our CNC to get everything to fit exactly perfect. So next we have this reclaimed oak 5x3 counter height table. It's going in a kitchen, kind of like an island idea. We got 4x4 metal straight legs on here. This is also reclaimed oak, came from a barn in Ohio. Then we have this black walnut, 6-foot round table with this custom white oak painted white base. So pretty straightforward. If you have questions about this one, please feel free, send me a message. Then we got the two coffee tables. So we have this one that is walnut with hairpin legs, and we have this white oak coffee table with walnut base, upside down trapezoid. And the final one that's going out this week is this massive live edge walnut book match table. We got this all finished. The only thing that's missing is the base, which we had to put a few coats of paint on, which didn't happen to get 100% cured and dried by right now, so we couldn't put it with the rest of them. But we'll be attaching those first thing Monday morning to go out for delivery. Last thing I'll show you is those legs, so we'll go over there right now. Into the next Lighthouse shop room. Here are them legs. These were raw steel, so we used a special kind of paint that is an epoxy paint that attaches well and bonds well with metal, doesn't scratch easy. It's actually a bar and chassis paint, and we use that on all our metal bases just to get that extra strength when we don't have when a base is not being powder coated. So that's them. So they're a little bit wet still, so that's why we're waiting for Monday. And yeah, eventually, if you guys want, we can give you a shop tour of all the different rooms that we have and spaces with material and machines and office and everything. So yeah, guys, so that's this week. We got all that done in 1 week, just between two of us guys, me and Steve. It's been a busy week, but we are managing here to get it all done. And hope everybody has a great week. I hope everybody's staying safe. I hope everybody's staying healthy, being smart, thinking about where they go and what they're doing, staying home. We keep coming here just because it's just two of us, and this is our livelihood, you know. This is how we live. If we close down, we don't have a big corporation to pay for us or sustain us or anything. So we're doing everything we can to stay alive. We got lots of work in front of us, but we got to keep getting it done. So everybody have a great weekend. Stay safe again. We'll see you next week.